Baking soda isn't just for baking or cleaning. Baking soda can help remove plaque, neutralize acids, whiten teeth, and freshen breath, all while supporting your overall oral health. Safe, effective, and backed by science, it's an easy way to boost your dental routine with what you already have at home. Hello lovely viewer, welcome back to Essential Cures. Before we dive into how baking soda works, let's first understand the problem it helps solve: plaque and tartar. Plaque is a soft, sticky film that builds up on your teeth throughout the day. It's full of bacteria that feed on sugar and release acids that wear down your tooth enamel. If you don't remove plaque regularly, by brushing and flossing, it hardens into tartar. Tartar forms mainly around the gum line, and makes it even easier for bacteria to spread. The result? Tooth decay, gum disease, bad breath, and even tooth loss if left untreated. The key to preventing this whole chain reaction: stop plaque before it turns into tartar. That's where baking soda comes in. How baking soda helps. So, how can something so simple be so effective? 1. It gently scrubs away plaque. Baking soda is a mild abrasive, which means it has a grainy texture that helps remove plaque from your teeth surface, without being too harsh like some whitening pastes. 2. It neutralizes acids. Bacteria in your mouth love acidic environments. When you eat or drink sugary or starchy foods, your mouth becomes more acidic, giving bacteria the perfect place to thrive. Baking soda is alkaline, so it helps balance your mouth's pH and reduce acid, making it harder for harmful bacteria to survive. 3. It whitens teeth naturally. Because it scrubs away surface stains, like those from coffee, tea, or smoking, baking soda can brighten your smile over time without harsh chemicals. 4. It fights cavity-causing bacteria. Some studies suggest that baking soda helps reduce the bacteria that lead to tooth decay and gum disease. It's not a replacement for brushing with fluoride toothpaste, but it's a great extra tool in your oral care routine. 3 simple ways to use baking soda for oral health. Ready to give it a try? Here are a few easy and safe ways to use baking soda to help prevent cavities and remove plaque. 1. Baking soda paste. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water until it forms a paste. Use it to brush your teeth gently for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Tip: do this 2 to 3 times a week, not daily, to avoid enamel wear. 2. Baking soda boost to toothpaste. Wet your toothbrush and add your usual amount of fluoride toothpaste. Sprinkle a small pinch of baking soda on top. Brush your teeth as usual. This gives your regular toothpaste an extra cleaning boost. 3. Baking soda mouth rinse. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda into a small glass of warm water. Stir well and swish the solution in your mouth for 30 seconds. Spit it out and rinse with plain water if needed. This can help reduce odor-causing bacteria and freshen breath. Can baking soda remove tartar? Here's the truth: baking soda can't remove hardened tartar. Only a dental professional can do that safely. But if you use baking soda before tartar forms, you can reduce plaque buildup and prevent tartar from forming in the first place. Think of it as a line of defense. The earlier you act, the better your chances of keeping your teeth clean and healthy. Important tips for safe use. Use in moderation. Baking soda is safe when used a few times a week, but overusing it, especially daily, can wear down enamel. Use a soft toothbrush. Always brush gently to protect your gums and enamel. Don't skip the dentist. Baking soda helps with prevention, but it doesn't replace regular dental cleanings and checkups. Still use fluoride toothpaste. Baking soda helps clean, but fluoride helps strengthen your teeth and protect against decay. Using baking soda to care for your teeth might sound old-fashioned, but it works. It's affordable, natural, and easy to add to your routine. Whether you use it once in a while for a deep clean, or regularly to reduce plaque, it's a smart way to boost your dental hygiene without breaking the bank. Have you ever tried baking soda for your teeth? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear how it worked for you.